Hello, this is Dmitry Kucheruk, S4GA. I am presenting to you our SP-301S light. This light is solar-powered, self-contained, which means it has solar panel integrated with the body of the light. It is powered by two independently connected batteries. The light purpose is to provide taxiway edge lighting for both permanent and temporary applications. When I say permanent, I mean if you have an international airport or regional airport, military airbase that is in need of taxiway edge lighting, fixed one, then this is a light for you. On another case, you have rehabilitation works and you need to reroute your traffic via new taxiway that is not illuminated. You can install those lights in order to provide temporary taxiway illumination. Light is compliant with major regulators, including ICAO, EASA, MOS Australia, FAA, and of course it is compliant with SALA Minimum Performance Standards. We have verified that this light performs well and can deliver lighting regardless of the continent, so it will work well in Canada, in Brazil, or in Australia, in Argentina. In terms of power balance, so light can reliably operate during the all night in all of those locations, and this is confirmed in accordance with SALA feasibility study methodology. So what are the key benefits of this light for airport operators? Number one, it reduces cost significantly because there is no need to do any civil works, there is no cabling, there is no trenching. So the light is delivered as it is, you just screw it into the ground and it is ready to operate. The second is that it is easy to install and it is quick to install. So you can get your taxiway ready within few hours from the light delivery. It also means that there will be no destruction of your airport operations. S4GA provides after-sales support, technical support, great manuals both in PDF and video. So your maintenance team, your operational team will be very well informed and equipped with everything that they need to run the system efficiently every day. Thank you very much.